Hi everyone! Straight from dealership at 20 kilometer on this brand new Toyota GRS HILUX. The upgrade so far we have done on this unit. After all the upgrade, we coated the body with IGL ceramic coating. The glass, we coat the glass, all the plastic parts, the body, and the wheels. Even this is white, you can see, very shiny. Okay. Let's talk about the modes we have done on this unit. On the hood, we replace to original carbon fiber hood. And under the hood, we installed ARB differential breather kit, GREDDY exhaust intake system, for the horn, we upgraded to MITSUBA Arena 3 sound check. For the fog lamp, we upgraded to high power LED white for a better driving at night. Also, we installed JAOS front nudge bar. And JAOS Type 3. Skid plate. Sorry, this is it's Type R skid plate. Also, for the suspension on this unit, we're using the PROFENDER Queen Series suspension, 16 ways adjustable. PROFENDER upper arm, PROFENDER suspension, and adjustable stabilizer link. Also, installed JAOS side step, for the exhaust. This is only limited to 50 units worldwide. This is the GREDDY exhaust side exit. This had a numbered out of 50. I forgot what's number this one, but since this is 50 worldwide. Diamond black tip. Race silver sticker. For the lip spring, the client wants the best comfort, so we use ARB, parabolic lip spring. This is 0 to 300 kg load. And also, we put the original fender liner cover, front and back. This is a 4 pieces. And hammer. To keep your cargo safe and worry on rainy days, we're using the hammer electronic roller lid. They got a remote. The option is through remote or through your cell phone Bluetooth. With light, 2 modes. This is the brighter. Okay. Off. It's a must. PROLIFT. Tailgate assist. It's a very important for all pickup. And T-step for easy access. This is the original T-step. Can weigh up to 150 kg. Okay. To close. On this side of the taillight, we're installing the original rear fog. The difference with the original is rear fog. Instead of reverse, this is the rear fog, very bright. So you can see. And on the right side, we replace it to high power reverse LED. Also, we installed rear JAOS tow hitch. Of course, we also installed, match car white color, suspension profenders red. So mudguard, we're using red also, JAOS original mud flap. And for the interior, we replace all the map light to high power LED. As you can see, very bright. GREDDY shift knob. This is the GREDDY shift knob. We're waiting for the steering wheel to arrive, body club, carbon fiber with red stitch. And also HIPPOTECH matting. And of course, for the tint, we only use the best. BF film. This is the Supreme Plus 99% in heat rejection, as you can see. How clear is our tint? And top of the line, guarantee on heat rejection. Lastly, for the rims and tires on this unit, we're using 18-inch A-Lab. This is on DS, diamond silver color, with black chrome center cap, wrapped in BF Goodrich KM3 tires. Before I forgot, we also installed carbon roof spoiler. See the stance. White on red and silver. Matchy-matchy. Suspension is silver. Matches the rims. Mud flap. Matches the brakes. See the stance from the side. Simplicity is the best. If you like how we built here, feel free to message me. And please follow and subscribe my YouTube channel, PRS Car Accessories and Services. See you here, everyone. Stock is boring. Bye!